Some children who get vaccinated do have mild reactions to the vaccine that generally occur between 6 and 12 hours after the vaccination. Those may occur having some soreness where the vaccine was injected, and some people develop signs like fatigue, perhaps headaches, muscle aches, or joint aches, and those are much less common. Those symptoms may last for a day or a couple days and then go away. So it is possible that a parent would keep their child home from school the next day. But these reactions are really very short-lived, and there are no longer-term problems that one would see.